Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda Civic versus Toyota Corolla. We'll dive into their key features, performance, and fuel efficiency. You'll also learn about their interior designs, safety ratings, and overall reliability. My goal is to help you determine which of these popular compact cars is the better fit for your driving needs. When it comes to performance, the Honda Civic often provides a more engaging and sportier driving experience, with available engines offering up to 200 horsepower in its hybrid models. The Toyota Corolla, on the other hand, typically focuses on a smoother, more comfortable ride, ideal for everyday commuting. Both vehicles offer reliable four-cylinder engines, with hybrid options available for enhanced efficiency. Inside, the Honda Civic often features a more modern and spacious interior, offering up to 14.8 cubic feet of trunk space. The Toyota Corolla provides a comfortable cabin with user-friendly controls and around 13.1 cubic feet of cargo volume. Both models excel in fuel economy, with their hybrid versions achieving impressive ratings of approximately 50 combined miles per gallon. Additionally, both come equipped with comprehensive standard safety features. In terms of reliability, both the Honda Civic and Toyota Corolla consistently receive high marks, known for their long-term durability. They also prioritize safety, with both models earning top safety pick ratings from independent organizations. While the Corolla often has a slightly lower starting price, the Civic tends to offer more premium features and a more upscale feel in its higher trim levels, providing excellent value for different budgets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.